Sudoku Classic and Number Master is one of the clearest examples of a Sudoku app offering actual cash tournaments, with players competing against real opponents on the same puzzle. EU App Store 1. If you're looking for Sudoku apps that can pay real money in 2026, the list is shorter than you might expect. So this ranking separates genuine cash competition options from ordinary Sudoku apps that only advertise rewards. The 5 picks here are ranked by how directly they connect Sudoku gameplay with real prizes, how the competition works, and what you need to know before depositing money. Number 5. Sudoku Cash 8. Sudoku Cash is listed as a real money competitive Sudoku game, with the basic idea of solving puzzles against other players for cash prizes. Availability and payout options can change by location, so check the current tournament and withdrawal information before play. Number 4. Sudoku Legend. Sudoku Legend is another tournament-style Sudoku option designed around competitive play and real-world prizes. The important distinction is that this is not simply a points for rewards Sudoku app. The advertised format centers on competing for prizes. Number 3. Sudoku Puzzle, Rewarded Plane. This option combines Sudoku gameplay with a rewards model. That makes it different from a traditional cash tournament, because the earning system depends on the rewards offered through the app, rather than simply winning a head-to-head Sudoku match. Number 2. Sudoku Classic and Number Master. This is the strongest standalone Sudoku option on the list. The App Store listing says, players can practice with virtual currency, and then enter real money competitions, with matches using the same puzzle for both players. It also connects to skills for competitive tournaments and prizes. Oano Twistorn. E1. Number 1. Skills Sudoku. Skills currently lists Sudoku among its real cash competitive games. The platform supports head-to-head matches and tournaments, while free play uses virtual currency and real money competitions require a monetary deposit. A Skills Twunto. That makes Skills Sudoku the strongest overall choice if your priority is competitive Sudoku rather than passive rewards. There's one catch: real prize availability depends on where you live. Skills says its real prize competitions are available in roughly 80% of the world, while restrictions apply in some locations. O Skills Dokso 3. So the practical move is simple: install the app, check whether cash tournaments are enabled for your location, and play free matches before depositing anything. The key points are that Sudoku Classic and Number Master offers direct cash competition, Skills provides the broader tournament infrastructure, and reward-based Sudoku apps work differently from cash tournaments. If this ranking helped, like the video and subscribe for more real money gaming app comparisons.